I'm going to be talking about foam rolling, especially with the lats here. The muscle on the side of the arm, straight down the torso there. You can get tight lats with a lot of swimming, a lot of pull-ups, or any sort of activity or work that requires you to do lots of pulling, essentially. Now, what you're going to need is a foam roller and a mat or the ground. So we're going to pop that foam roller on the ground there. Okay, you want this right under your armpit towards the back, not the front. And you want to lie just on it. Find a good spot, roll up, roll down. When you find a tender spot, you want to hold it right there. Now, you're going to feel a bit of pressure and discomfort if you're on a tender spot, but that means you're just letting the muscle release. Now hold it there and roll up and down and find another tender spot. Okay. Now, a way you can progress this is by lifting up your hip to give you that more pressure and push and release into that lat muscle. Now you can roll all the way from the rib cage down here, all the way up to the top of your armpit there. If you do get any pain or symptoms of difficulty breathing, then stop straight away and seek your health professional. Thank you for watching.